And every professional coin collector would tell you, do not do whatever I do now. They say this method will ruin coin forever. I was never talking about, but I own a bunch of silver coins. I really like them shiny and not as tarnished or dirty, just like as this one it is. And in today's video we are starting a mini series to clean these silver coins, and I'm about to ruin, accordingly to the coin collectors, the silver coin. But I really want to have it in similar aspect as this one, as a shiny coin. So if you check, shiny it's better. So let's test this one. Let me make some space, put this coin in the background, and I have prepared some dry paper just to keep my desk clean. For that, you need some protecting gloves because this is some weird chemical, but I don't know what is containing. I would like to keep this coin as clean as possible, and for that I will use this car polish, but I can't know the result of it. So as I told you, this is the first episode of a mini series to test these methods out, how to clean a silver coin. As you see, this is dark coin, looks like this. So what we will start now, we will start to polish it for a couple of minutes. I don't know if you can see any results, but for me it looks like this is getting cleaner. It feels like just like counting money. I don't know if it's a universe or a sign, but this is like, where is my money? Like, this is costing money. Okay, I believe that's it. Let me bring some wet paper to clean it. Like, this is like microfiber or really good material. It's used for babies, to clean baby butt, or to clean babies. And I'm using very carefully this one. So this is still not as shiny as I was expecting it will turn out, but if you can see, this did a bit better, so it is still a level of difference from that coin. But if you want to see the result of the next one, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and in the next video let me surprise you, like how we'll try to clean another coin, or maybe this one as well, to get an even better result as this one. And we can conclude in the end that this car polish did not a bad job, but it's maybe not the perfect fit for this type of activities to clean silver coins, because it was not designed for that. But if you have not so heavily tarnished coin, this will clean definitely some tarnish cut from your coin. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.